How to get your DoorDash account reactivated. So the very first thing you need to make sure that your application DoorDash is up to date. Once you have the latest version of DoorDash, you can go ahead and try login to your account. Well, you can try it for multiple of times. But still, if your account is not reactivated, then what you want to do is head over to your Safari. In the source bar, search for DoorDash support. Head over to this site, DoorDash support. Different support will be visible to you. Head over to customer support. You will find the option where it says chat with us in DoorDash app. All you want to do is click on it. And then one inbox will appear. You will be able to chat with the representative of DoorDash support. You can simply explain the problem that you have been facing on DoorDash. And within 24 hours, the DoorDash support will analyze your account and will definitely come up with some solution for you. And you'll be good to go.